Hello. So the other day I had mentioned it to you all that I had gone out. So मैं उस दिन कुछ छोटी छोटी चीज़ें लेके आई थी. So I thought मैं दिखा देती हूँ. So I got 5 things and let me go one by one. So this first thing ये मुल्तानी मिट्टी है. ये छोटा बॉक्स था and I wanted to use it. So मैं छोटा 30 ग्राम का डब्बा लेके आई हूँ. And well, next up this pedicure spa thingy. मेरे को दिख गया, मुझे लगा I would like to give it a try, so I got this. So yeah, this is the second thing that I got. Next up, pimple patches. ये ना मैं दिखाती हूँ, ये बहुत cute patches हैं. ये मैंने मस्ती के लिए लिए हैं, frankly speaking. Like who would not want hearts on their faces and that too purple hearts. So well. इसमें कितने हैं ठीक है मतलब sufficient and so yeah I will use this. इसमें actually yellow color भी है and I think black color भी है but purple. And the next thing is this lipstick. ये Glam 21 करके कोई तो कंपनी है उसका है. I'm gonna open it right in front of you all. Let me also share the shade. It's Nude Game 24 and I will show you what it looks like. It's a beautiful brown. इसको ना अच्छे से लिप लाइनर के साथ लगा के अच्छा लगेगा. And well, this is no transfer lip gloss. Interesting. मुझे ये कलर अच्छा लगा था, that's why I bought it. But yeah, once I actually use it for some event while I'm going out or whatever, I will show you guys how it looks. Okay. So yeah, this was the fourth thing, and the last thing is this blush from Just Herbs. This one, and ये Magenta Muse है, इसका shade का नाम. Wait a second. अरे यार. Look at the packaging. It's like a मोटा lipstick. and ये ऐसा दिखता है and ये ऐसे बाहर आता है and well, this is the shade. Like a darker pink with purple in it. So it's nice. मतलब मैंने ये blush and इसको lipstick की तरह भी आप use कर सकते हो. Lip stain की तरह ना थोड़ा सा लगा के you can just blend it using your fingers. So well, this was all. ये 5 चीज़ें मैंने खरीदी थी and it costed around I think 600 rupees or something. So yeah, that's all. और भाई, this is my lunch. पनीर भुर्जी, थोड़ी सी कोरिएंडर चटनी and 2 फुलके. Well, hello. So, आज मैंने पहना है ये महेश्वरी सूट. ठीक है, ये सूट पीस था बेसिकली. इसमें सिर्फ कुर्ता और चुन्नी आती है. चुन्नी मैं दिखाऊंगी थोड़ी देर बाद. I've just ironed it and kept it nicely. So yeah, इसमें ये border था. Border was used to have this design on the neck. And थोड़ा सा जो बचा हुआ था ये थोड़ा इसमें हाथ में यूज़ हुआ है. ये एक्चुअली मेरे को थोड़ा ढीला हो गया because I've lost some weight. So but I had gotten it stitched एकदम लंबा and इसके साथ मैंने ना है leggings. And now I'm gonna sit and do my makeup and then I will show you guys the chunni. Let me show you the before. So this is what my skin looks like right now. I've had a very long day with jam-packed sessions back to back and today actually मेरे 3 new sessions थे. I spoke to 3 new people who found me through LinkedIn and one from Instagram, which is interesting. Instagram वाला में ज़्यादा interesting लगता है मुझे that just through videos people are finding me and getting in touch with me, which is great. So yeah, तो आज के 3 sessions जो new fresh sessions थे जो मैं बता रही थी, those were my highlights and I had a great time. But yeah, I'm also feeling very tired. but I have to go some place. So अभी कुछ नहीं, थोड़ा makeup लगाएंगे and I'll again start to look fresh because actually makeup लगाने से पहले I'll go and wash my face. I might look very dull in the video, maybe, but I'm not looking that dull. ठीक है? ये actually मुझे suddenly बहुत ज़्यादा ढीला लग रहा है because look at this. And जब मैं ये लेके आई थी, ये अच्छा खासा proper fitting वाला सूट था. Should I change? मेरे को फिर से वापस आयन करना पड़ेगा and I don't have the energy to do that. So we'll let it be. यही पहन के जाएंगे. So the first thing I'll apply is a sunscreen. This is Dot & Key tinted sunscreen. मेरे पास ऑलरेडी एक नॉर्मल लेयर लगी हुई है सनस्क्रीन की, बस अभी बिकॉज बाहर जाना है और बाहर अभी भी तपता हुआ सूरज है, सो हम लगा लेंगे सनस्क्रीन. इस सनस्क्रीन की अच्छी बात यह है कि टिंटेड है, सो डेज दैट आई डोंट वांट टू यूज़ एनीथिंग ऑन माई फेस इन टर्म्स ऑफ मेकअप, दिस इज़ द बेस्ट थिंग. एंड ये बहुत ही फ्रेश सा ग्लो दे देती है फेस पे, विच इज़ नाइस. एवरीबडी लाइक्स अ फ्रेश फेस, राइट? एंड सम डेज कितना भी कर लो यार, मतलब you know, do your skincare, have a good meal. Sometimes the skin does look dull and नहीं है यार, उसमें तुम्हारी गलती नहीं है. It is just life can be too much sometimes, and yeah, not every day is gonna look the same, and तुम भी same नहीं लगोगे, so which is okay. So yeah. So ऐसी sunscreens, like tinted sunscreens, are really nice. They come in very handy. There's one more sunscreen that I can recommend is this one. You can take a screenshot or whatever. ठीक है? This is also nice. But I've started liking this Dot & Key one more because इसका glow और ज़्यादा better है. So yeah. So with this, I'm gonna apply a little bit of concealer. Okay. Wait. ठीक है? So I'll apply a little bit of concealer. Again, this is Fit Me shade number 25. So we'll place it here, nose, a few dots यहाँ पे, and थोड़ा सा forehead पे. ठीक है? थोड़ा सा और we'll take here. Yeah. Now with these many dots, I'm gonna blend it. First I'll use a concealer brush and then we'll do a foundation brush. So anyways, आज क्या क्या हुआ यार, आज के मोस्टली सेशंस में ना everybody was talking about feeling stuck, or most of them had come for what could be the next thing that they could do to grow, which is great. We all should be thinking on that aspect. But with one person I felt that sometimes we are so much pressurized to look at growth. See, I am a person who always talks about growth, and I do feel that you should always be, you know, it's not about chasing, it's about having goals. And yes, you keep at it, and yeah, some things will work, some things won't work, but yeah, be productive. But कभी कभार क्या होता है ना, ये प्रोडक्टिविटी का जो भूत है ये ज़्यादा हो जाता है, that even when you are doing your best, okay, but still it doesn't feel enough. And आज मैं उसके बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. So sometimes in such a situation, one of the things that work really well is pause. Okay, I've spoken about pause in my previous videos as well. Like when life starts to feel too much, when life starts to feel as if it's slipping away, or when life starts to feel as if it's not giving you anything back, I think what you need is a pause. pause and reflect on what is going around. Why are these thoughts coming to you? What is making you feel that you're not doing enough? Like, sit and question, pause with yourself, spend some quality time thinking about what's really going on here. Is it that you're not doing enough, or the idea that you hold that what enough looks like is something that is actually keeping you awake at night? So you need to figure out that first. And well, once you do, then you have some answers, and those answers are the ones that will help you to take the next step. What is the right next step for you? And सबके लिए अलग अलग होता है यार. Anyways, बहुत हो गया आज के लिए ज्ञान. मेरा मन कर रहा है यार आईलाइनर लगाने का, फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग, बट आईलाइनर मुझे ना बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट लगता है. लेट्स सी. इवन तो मैंने ना ये वाला इस बार ये मार्स का लाइनर लिया है मैंने, इंक ब्लैक लिक्विड eyeliner. Let me just get my mirror. Let's go. Yeah, that is it. Nice, very nice. Now let's go in. And what are we gonna do? Let me show you. हम लगाएंगे brown lip liner. And then we'll go in with this nude shade जो मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले दिखाया था. I think थोड़ी देर पहले इसी वीडियो में दिखाया है, किसी और वीडियो में दिखाया. Well, let's do this. And now we will apply Glam 21-24 Nude Game. I'm so excited. Oh my god, this is so yellow. And I have a similar shade which is so strange. जब मैंने ये कल तुम लोगों को दिखाया था, on the back of my hand it looks so much better is what I would say. Wait, I think it's blending. Okay, मैं ज़्यादा जल्दी जज कर लिया मैंने. I think we can make this work. है ये थोड़ा orangish है, but with the lip liner it's going. Yeah, it is going. It's looking nice. I like it. I like it. Okay, now let's move on. We will put on some blush. Alright, let's use the new one. Why not? This one I just showed you all. दिखाई देती है यार. Alright. So this is what it looks like. This is the shade. The shade name is Magenta Muse. It's from Just Herbs. And let's go. ठीक है, बिल्कुल थोड़ू लगाया मैंने. Yes, looks like as if I was punched. The blush brush. Let's blend it. Ooh, nice. Let's blend it. Nice. See, this is what I was talking about. How easily this blends. यही चीज़ मुझे इसकी बहुत अच्छी लगी थी, and that's why I got it. And it's giving a very nice shine to the face. Okay, I think that's all. मुझे ज़्यादा blush चाहिए नहीं. And this is PAC का 214 brush, and this is a proper blush brush. Now we're just gonna put on some mascara. And we are done after this. Also, मैंने कल का एक वीडियो डाला था एक क्लिप आई एडेड जिसमें मेरे बाल अटके हुए हैं पूरे ब्रश में. माय गॉड, इट वाज सच अ स्कैरी सीन. मतलब मुझे लगा था अब तो मेरे को बाल काटने ही पड़ जाएंगे जिस हिसाब से मैं, और मेरा रोना भी निकल गया था कि शिट व्हाट हैव आई डन. एंड दैट टू राइट बिफोर आई वाज सपोज्ड टू लीव. आई वाज सपोज्ड टू लीव टू गो फॉर एन इवेंट एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई डिड टू माई सेल्फ एंड इट वाज टॉर्चर भाई. So I thought of changing the earrings. This is going much better because ये rose gold वाला है, ये gold proper जा नहीं रहा है इसके साथ. So removing this and wearing these. Yep. अब बस थोड़ा सा बाल कोम करेंगे and then we'll move out. And well, this is the full look. ये है इसकी चुन्नी का कलर. आई डोंट नो, जब मैं ये देखा था ना, मैंने देखते ही आई पिक्ड इट. आई वाज लाइक आई वांट दिस वन, आई वांट दिस वन. एंड आई एम लाइकिंग इसकी अच्छी, काफ़ी मतलब लंबा स्टिच कराया है जिसकी वजह से आई फील इट्स गिविंग दैट वेरी वेरी रॉयल लुक. एंड द कलर कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ कोर्स इज बैंगर. सो या, एंड वेयरिंग न्यूड हील्स. वेल, सो I got back home just like 5 minutes back. So change किया है, मेकअप वेकअप कुछ नहीं उतारा है. So अभी वो करूँगी and just pack up and sleep. Today I'm very very sleepy. कल मेरी नींद हुई नहीं actually because I slept very late. And by the way, I finished off campus in one go. That's why I did not sleep on time last night. That's what I was up to. So yeah, that is what I was doing. It's a good series, though I have some comments about it. Comments like the fact that I'm not the biggest fan of Hannah, not in terms of the writing, but the actor Hannah. I don't know her name, but I don't know, I couldn't feel any emotion from her, and that's what I felt. And मतलब कोई भी एक भी ऐसा सीन नहीं था where I felt that the emotion that they were trying to show, she was able to convey it. So yeah, but that is what I felt. जो लोग ने भी off campus देख लिया है, do let me know in the comment section if you thought that her acting was good. Script and all is really good, like I like the storyline, all of it, but I'm talking about the actor, so do let me know what are your thoughts on it.